In the world of law enforcement, continuous and comprehensive training is essential for individuals employed in a criminal justice occupation. Nash Community College steps in, offering a vital lifeline to those dedicated to safeguarding our communities. Nash recognizes the paramount importance of real-world readiness, acknowledging that it goes beyond the confines of a classroom. Their commitment is to provide practical, immersive experiences that are essential for officers in the line of duty. Training encompasses a comprehensive array of resources, including a cutting-edge virtual simulator, state-of-the-art firing range, and scenarios like arrest, search and seizure, defensive driving, and officer survival exercises. For more information, visit our website or call 252-451-8450.